Hi everyone, my name is Zeel Modi and I have cleared my PCE return component in February 2025. I have done my bachelor's degree called BPT back home in India. Then I got married and I came to Canada. I decided to spend some time with my new family and with my partner. So I did that, and after that I want to get back to my physio journey again. So I did some research and I came to know that I need to give a written component exam called PCE Written Component Exam. So I decided to go for it, and the first step was the credentialing process. I did the credentialing process, it was pretty smooth, and then I came across my friend, and then I enrolled in StudyBudy, which is a really good platform to study that MSK, cardio, neuro, and even ethics. Because back home in India, where I was studying, there were no subject like ethics, what we used to practice in Canada. So by enrolling in StudyBudy, I came across many kind of topics, and I studied very thoroughly all the topics, and it was a great help from the StudyBudy. I would like to mention about the mentorship program the StudyBudy provided. I took mentorship from Ankush sir and Anisha ma'am. So they both work together. So first thing I want to include is my study schedule. I was not on track to study according to my schedule. My schedule was not properly structured before the mentorship. After enrolling in the mentorship, Anisha ma'am structured my schedule that way that it helped me a lot to cover all the subject in a day, and I can revise that on a daily basis. And I was able to see my progress through all the mock exams. So my schedule were really better after getting into the mentorship. I found ethics was a bit challenging for me because in India we were not used to do that kind of practice in day-to-day basis in our practice. So ethics were a bit challenging for me. I took all 5 ethics lectures of Ankit sir, and he explained ethics question by question with the proper rationale, which helped me a lot to overcome that issue. I also read website, and due to that classes and website, I was able to understand the Canadian system, how the practical scenario works in the clinic, and how they implement the ethics in day-to-day life. It was so easy to understand that culture by watching that ethics video lectures of Ankit. And whenever I got stuck into some questions regarding ethics or any topics, Ankit were always there. I messaged, I text, I call, and they reach out to me as soon as possible. I got really good response from them, and it was very easy because of them. You got all the answers very thoroughly, and you can trust that. So that was the best part from my side. I would like to share some tips. Tip number 1, be consistent. Always try to read every day, and try to quit job if possible. This tip worked really well for me. I quit my job and I study full time, and it helped me to clear my PCE in just 6 months. Tip number 2, make your own schedule and stick to the schedule. Here comes the mentorship, because my mentor helped me to make my own schedule according to my routine, and that helped me a lot. If you are stuck with your schedule, you can always reach to the mentor. Tip number 3, make your own notes and your daily revised notes. If you are thinking that you are lagging behind in some topics, make the notes of that topic and try to read that topic every day. That will make your life easy, and you will remember that stuff for a long time, and that help you a lot during the exam. Thank you.